All right, guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. We are here. This is video number 2. I told you it was coming up this weekend. Hope you're all having a great 4th of July. And for all of our people in all the other great countries, we're glad you're here with us as well. Now, the reason this trailer is so clean on this side is this stuff right here. Fantastic stuff. You can find it all. Julio, tell everybody where all the great tools and products are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Carmela is going to come up here and we're going to share with you how easy this stuff is to use. Now, if you ask, is the small bottles that we've been sharing with you for the years of ceramic coating better than this? They're both the same. The problem is for large areas like a trailer like this or a motorhome, this is the bomb. This is the stuff you want to use right here, and this is how easy it is. And you can use it on your glass on your house, you can use it on your windshields, you can use it on anything smooth that you want to keep clean. Let's go over and show you the side that was not treated. This side's already been treated. You can put as many coats of this stuff on as you want. And again, if you get right up there, even rubbing it with my finger, it's still stained back there. Not good. Makes it very hard to clean them. So let's go over on the other side and I'll show you how I did it. Cool part about this stuff is if you do it early in the morning or you can do in the sunshine, it's not so bad. It works really good if there's a little heat out. Just shake it up good and you spray it on. You do a 2 foot by 2 foot area like that, and we like to use our gloves, as you know, but I'm going to share with you how safe this is. We just let that set on there. Now you can clay bar whatever it is you're going to do, but this trailer is brand new, it doesn't need that. We're just going to rub that in, and we're actually going to use this as the cleaner. We're going to wipe it down like this. This is just how we do it. You don't have to do it this way. But it's always good to wash your vehicles prior to. Now what we're going to do is spray it on again. We'll rub it in with our hand, again to share with you how safe it is. You'll let that set for about 5 minutes, and it doesn't take much of a spray, just one little mist like this, but I'm doing it for the video to show you so you get some idea of how much comes out of there. Okay, so we'd let that set 5 minutes till it gets to a haze. All right, we're not going to wait that long because we've already done this side. We're just going to wipe it off with our really smooth and soft microfibers, and the dirt flies right off. It's just amazing what this stuff will do. And I know there's other spray-on ceramic type coatings out there, but nothing, we've tried them all. Now say I let that set 5 minutes to a haze, and then I just buff it off. And we're going to take you over and show you a set of headlights that we did and how beautiful they look after 1,000 miles. Just keep rotating your cloth. The more you buff it, the better it looks, and of course the more you do of the product on here. And the reason I don't talk about the product name and all that stuff, I let you, if you're interested in it, you can go to the Show More. It's not hard to find. You can look here for the Show More, and or you can look here. Every video on YouTube has a Show More area, and it looks gorgeous. Now look at these headlights on this motorhome. They are absolutely beautiful. 1,000-mile journey, 15-hour drive, and they look that great. We did this entire windshield up here on this motorhome, and the dirt will come right off.